A microscope has an objective of focal length. Appo, focal length of the objective lens is given as 2 centimeter, and the focal length of the eyepiece is given as 4 centimeter, and the tube length of the tube is given as 40 centimeter and 40 centimeter. If the distance of the distinct vision is capital D is 25 centimeter, the magnification of the microscope. நமக்கு தெரியும் microscope உடைய magnification வந்து magnification of the objective lens in the magnification of the eyepiece. Okay, first we will do it one by one. The magnification of the objective lens will be equal to L by F, length of the tube by focal length of the objective lens. Length of the tube 40 centimeter by focal length of the objective lens is 20. So the answer is 20 is the magnification of the objective lens. அப்போ magnification of the eyepiece நமக்கு வேணும். Magnification of the eyepiece formula finite distance infinite. 1 plus d by fe போடுவோம். இது infinite வச்சுக்கோம் d by fe. அப்போ d is nothing but 25 centimeter. Focal length of the eyepiece is given as 4 centimeter. So the data is nothing but 25 by 4, which is 6.25. அப்போ ரெண்டையும் multiply பண்ணுவோம். Total magnification equal to MO is 20 into 6.25. So when you multiply 2 into 62.5, answer is 2 into 20 or 2 into 62.5. அப்போ answer will be correct. So 125 is its focal length. Okay.